Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making rich and creamy Eid special milk malai dessert. Soft bread layers, soaked in flavorful custard and topped with delicious milk malai filling. This elegant dessert is perfect for Eid celebration and family gathering. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons custard powder, 1/4 cup milk. Mix well and keep aside. Now in a pan, add 2 cups milk. Keep stirring and let it boil. Milk provides calcium and protein. Milk-based desserts are very popular during Eid celebration. Add 3 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Cardamom adds a natural festive aroma. Pour in the custard mixture. Mix well and cook until slightly thickened. Do not make the custard too thick. Chilling improves the flavor and texture. Keep aside. Take bread slices and cut round shapes using a glass. Use fresh bread for softer texture. Now prepare the filling. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons milk powder, 3 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons milk malai. Mix everything well. Spread the mixture over one bread piece and cover with another bread piece. Bread desserts are loved for their soft texture. Homemade desserts are fresher and preservative free. Place them in a serving dish. Pour the prepared custard mixture over the bread layers. Cool the custard slightly before pouring. Custard creates a rich and creamy dessert base. Spread dry fruits on top. Dry fruits add nutrients and richness. You can adjust sweetness according to your preference. Your delicious Eid milk malai dessert is ready. Chill slightly before serving for best taste. Serve chilled and enjoy this creamy festive treat. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.